72% of people don't trust what they read on the internet.
False information is polluting even trusted sources, and it's getting harder and harder to tell what's the truth.
But what if you could build a search agent that verifies anything you read in just seconds? Hi, I'm Jen Wei from Cerebras, and today I'm joined by Kushi from the Parallel team.
With Parallel and Cerebras, we built a content fact checker, and we're giving you the entire cookbook to build it yourself.
Drop in any article or URL, and the content fact checker will extract the content, identify every claim, web searches for evidence, and returns a final verdict. And most importantly, it cites its sources as well.
Entire articles analyzed, researched, and verified, all under 10 seconds.
That kind of speed is only possible with Cerebras, running inference on the world's largest AI chip, the Wafer-Scale Engine. Cerebras delivers up to 2,000 tokens per second, depending on the model, or up to 15 times faster than GPU providers.
And with Parallel Search and Extract API, what would take hours of manual research turns into a single pass.
To build this yourself, our full cookbook is live right now. You'll get starter code, API guides, and free credits for both Cerebras and Parallel.